Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the sixth part of our video series in which we are learning medical related terms in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 5 parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. I will also share the link of this complete playlist in the description. So you can go and watch it very easily with the help of that link. Alright, now let's begin with the sixth part. So here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for blood type. It is 혈액형, 혈액형. Now let's move ahead and see the next word, and that is the Korean word for prescription, and it is 처방전, 처방전. Next comes the Korean word for operation theater, 수술실, 수술실. Alright? Next comes the Korean word for medical examination, or in easy words, you should say checkup. So in Korean it is 검진, 검진. Now comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for pulse. It is 맥박, 맥박. Now let's move ahead and see the next word, that is diagnosis, and it is 진단, 진단. Now let's see how to say emergency room in Korean, and it is called 응급실, 응급실. Next comes the Korean word for pharmacy. Now there are two words for pharmacy in Korean. One is 약국, 약국, and the second word is 조제실, 조제실. Now, there is a slight difference between these two words. 약국 refers to a general pharmacy, commonly used in daily life when referring to the place where medications are sold. Okay, so pharmacy is 약국 in Korean, a place where various kinds of medicines are sold. All right, now 조제실, it refers specifically to the room or area where pharmacists prepare and dispense prescription medications. Okay, so in general way, it refers to a dispensary in various medical facilities, right? So, 조제실 is particularly a dispensary. Okay, but you can also notice it being used for pharmacy in Korean language. So both of these words, they are all right, they are correct, and they mean pharmacy in Korean, but the difference lies in their usage. 약국 is more commonly used to say pharmacy in Korean, where all different kinds of medications are sold. And 조제실, it refers specifically to a place where prescribed medicines are sold, like in a dispensary. Okay? All right. Next comes the Korean word for pharmacist, and that is 약사, 약사. Now let's move ahead and see the next word, and that is the Korean word for clinic or consultation room. It is 진료실, 진료실. Next comes the Korean word for ICU or intensive care unit. It is 중환자실, 중환자실. Okay? Alright, so in this video, we learned various Korean words related to the field of medicine. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.